Greetings. Just here, a little river trail along the John Day River in northern Oregon. East of the Columbia Gorge, it can be very windy. There's many wind towers in this area. It's your standard eastern Oregon river canyon. The back of the trailhead, they had a notice about the most recent mountain lion sighting, which was about 15 days ago. I wasn't terribly concerned about that. But as some of you may know, when you're walking alone, or hiking alone, or backpacking alone, out in the wilderness, sometimes you can really tune in on some sort of a sixth sense that people seem to have. When you know when someone or something is watching you, or maybe just that something's not quite right. And walking along here, everything was pretty fine. Weather wasn't too hot for a change. I started getting that feeling like something was just out of place. Something wasn't right. And so I decided to just pause for a moment and sort of let nature settle down. And so I took a little shelter under this tree from the wind, and everything seemed okay. And so I proceeded. And of course found ants. There's an ant carrying an ant. But I found something I would really like to tell viewers about, to please clean up after yourself in the wilderness. Because this is the sort of sad thing that can happen. There's fishing lines strung up all through these trees in all sorts of different ways. And this bird here got caught up in some sort of string, clearly around its neck, and is now dead. I'm sorry to have to show you that, but please, do not leave anything in the wilderness. Leave no trace. Pick up any trash you see. If you're a fisherman, please pick up your line. We don't want to see dead birds hanging from trees. That's not happy. That's not what Mother Nature wants or needs. And that's not what users of your State Park River Trail want to see. So, please, keep these places looking as beautiful as they should be. Not with trash and dead animals strewn about. These places are very important and very precious. They have a lot of natural resources, from plants, animals, water, and as always, ants. Thank you for joining Always Ants, the John Day River in northern Oregon.